if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be doing a You Tried It today on a brand that I believe really was a disruptor in the beauty industry this year. This is my first time trying their products, and I heard a lot about this brand throughout the year from their actual launch till now. They're still putting out products, still creating that, what is the word? Excitement, anticipation for future launches. So that brand is Uoma Beauty. It is a Black-owned brand founded by Sharon Chuter, who is a former LVMH executive, if I have that correct. She is also Nigerian, so I just love seeing Black women succeed, especially in the beauty space and in the beauty industry. Uoma Beauty came out like just shooting pew 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 because don't mind me. They launched with 51 foundation shades. Mind you, you still have brands that are struggling to get like 30, and that 30 is sketch because they have like 2 designated for just darker skinned people. Everything else is pretty much fair. The fact that Uoma Beauty just came out guns blazing, love that. Love it. They know what they're doing over there at Uoma Beauty. Just from the branding alone and from the marketing alone, I mean, how many new brands can really set out a budget aside specifically just to target influencers and to use influencers' platforms? I mean, I beg, they know what they're doing, Jerry. Anyway, so today I'm going to be trying out their Say What foundation. And I don't know why I was so late to the party, but I purchased this on the Ulta website. I got the Say What foundation in the shade T2N or brown sugar. The regular price is $39, but because it was on sale at Ulta at the time, I got it for $23.40. I don't know why I only got the foundation. They have a whole bunch of other stuff as well. They have eyeshadows, they have concealers. I don't know what I was thinking by just picking up the foundation. I'm sure that later on down the line, I'll be able to use more of their products. So I'm going to get right into it, okay? This foundation is said to be dermatologically tested, paraben-free, D3, D4, and D5 free, talc-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. Whew. Did not come to play. It does say for medium coverage, use sparsely. For full coverage, use generously. For extreme coverage, apply multiple layers. It's their weightless, soft, matte, hydrating foundation. It does say that it has woolly thistle extract. I have no idea what that is, but it's specifically formulated for brown skin and, in brackets, melanated skin. I kind of want to do one side with primer, the other side without. I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter mattifying primer on just one half of my face. My face has already been moisturized, by the way, and my nose especially can get quite oily. I'm trying to make an imaginary line down the middle. And just like around my nose gets oily. These earrings are gonna have to come off, darling. I'm so sorry. So this foundation does have 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce of product, which is pretty much the standard. The color of the cap, I believe, corresponds to whatever family of shades you're in. The foundation comes in 6 unique formulas. There's a type that's specifically formulated for dark brown skin with high melanin, and then brown skin, which is melanin rich skin, rich tan skin, olive skin, fair skin, and very fair skin. So I'm in the brown skin family, and we've got the orange cap there signifying that, I guess. Oh wow, okay, whoa. Was I supposed to shake this first? I don't know, it's so liquidy. Oh wow, yo, I can't even show you, like, it's so, I was not expecting that. Okay. Ooh, it smells like a perfume almost. I can see how the scent can be overpowering for some people though, especially if you're sensitive. I'm probably the last person to finally try this foundation, but okay. I think I would have benefited from color correcting just because that discoloration is definitely peeking through. Now I understand the second skin claims. It's definitely very lightweight. Yeah, I'm gonna use one more pump. This is probably the foundation with the most liquid consistency that I've tried. This foundation looks beautiful, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it looks absolutely beautiful. I didn't do my brows first, so let's go back to the brows. For concealer, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Oh, I love this concealer. So I do this when I'm just gonna do like a nice neutral or no eyeshadow look. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm gonna do a light wash of bronzer. Wait, hold on, not light wash, a heavy wash, just kidding. I'm going to use Buried Away by Mented Cosmetics as my blush. I've really been into blush. Usually I'm able to go like a while without having to apply blush, but lately it just does something for my face. I'm gonna use a light wash of my bronzer onto the eyes here. I'm gonna dip into the CoverGirl Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette and go in with that gold highlight in the middle. You guys, look at how spraying your face changes everything. I'm always amazed at how it goes from looking powdery to just melted in the skin. Chocolate. The foundation was set at 7:55, so I'm gonna try to get a full 6-hour wear test in for you. Usually I go for 8, but it's pretty late, guys, so I'm so sorry. Like, this is all we have left. Is it just me, or did the foundation seem to get a little bit lighter over time, or am I tripping? I really will not be able to know until I edit this and I see the side by side, but I do feel like the foundation got lighter. So it is 2:39 a.m. It's actually almost 7 hours of wear time that has elapsed. This foundation held up well. The only area that I feel like I look really shiny is just my nose, but it actually controlled oil pretty well around the nose area, because there's some foundations. Oh no, my chin is pretty shiny too, but for 7 hours this looks good. I don't see a difference as far as the primed and unprimed side. I noticed that my smile line on the primed side is not as pronounced, I feel like. No, yeah, on the primed side, which is my right, your left, it's not as pronounced as it is on the other side. I don't know what is going on with the texture of my skin lately. I think I'm having like a full-on breakout. What is this? This is so ratchet. I don't want this. I'm very impressed. I do have combination skin. I'm dry everywhere else except for my T-zone, as you can see, but even like around my nose will get super duper oily. I don't feel like I'm getting that right now. It's just on the nose itself that it's oily, and also right here. Uoma Beauty, y'all did that, period. Pooh, no punctuation mark. The price point is pretty fair for a lot of the standard foundations that we get, but the fact that I got it for $23, I feel like I kind of stole it, even though I didn't, but like, it's such a steal. So I guess if you want to stock up on foundations, wait till Black Friday sales. I don't know. I can definitely see me rocking this on the regular, even though the consistency really scares me, and I feel like I'm gonna have foundation all over my shirt, all over my filming table, my desk area, just because it's so runny. No complaints. Like, about the company, about the brand, about the foundation. I do need to try out their other products. I have no complaints about this foundation. Well, except for the fact that it smells like perfume, but that doesn't really bother me as much. So if you are someone who's very specific about fragrance in your products, I don't know what to tell you. I'm so sorry. But yes, this is it. Do you see that? Hello. I'm gonna take my makeup off. I'm gonna go to bed knowing that I have another foundation in my arsenal of complexion products that I can rely on. You know, you sleep differently when you know that you have your shade in a foundation that actually works well for your skin. You just sleep. Research has proven it. Blinks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there are any other products, new releases that you want me to try out, please do be sure to let me know down below in the comment section. And thank you. Yes, that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Kissing you underneath that mistletoe.
Let me hear you sing. Oh, Merry Christmas, very special Christmas to you.